how to fix Discord update failed retrying. So that is what I'm going to show you guys in this super quick and easy tutorial. So let's get into it. So the first thing that we need to do is to go here on our desktop and then on the search bar, search for run. So just click run right there, then click enter. So in this part, all you have to do is to type percent local app data and then percentage again. And then once you do that, just click OK. And then once you do that, you will be redirected in this part. Now what we're going to do here is to just look for Discord folder and then click that. And then on this update, what we're going to do is to rename it. So once you do that, let's just type space and then repair. And then click enter. And then once you do that, what we're going to do next is to go on the search bar again and then open Task Manager. And then what we're going to do is to look for Discord and then right click on it and then click End Task. So once you click End Task right there, just open it again and see if it is now working. But if it is still not working, the next thing that we need to do is to go on the search bar and then search for Windows Firewall. And then once you do that, just click the Windows Defender Firewall right there. And then on this part, just click Turn Windows Defender Firewall on or off. And then on this part, just turn off the private network settings and then the public network settings. So just turn that off. And then once you click that, just click OK. And then try opening your Discord again to see if it is now working. But if it's still not working, the last thing that we can do is to go on the settings. So open the settings right there and then click apps and then click installed apps. And then on this part, just search for Discord. And then what we're going to do is to click on the three dots and then click uninstall. So once you click uninstall right there, all you have to do is to install it again, and that should fix your problem. So once again, that is how to fix Discord update failed retrying.